5 Best AI Side Hustles for Beginners in 2026. What if 2026 is the year you finally start a side hustle that actually pays using AI? Without a degree, years of experience, or a big upfront investment. No office, no inventory, no team. Just smart tools and consistent action. This isn't hype or a get-rich-quick scheme. These are practical AI-powered models real people are using right now to turn spare hours into real income. Some are earning an extra $500 a month. Others are scaling past $5,000. But here's the truth. Success doesn't come from chasing every new opportunity. It comes from understanding how AI gives beginners leverage and committing to one path long enough to see results. In this video, I'll break down 5 of the best AI side hustles for beginners in 2026, how they work, the tools behind them, realistic income potential, and common mistakes to avoid. Stay until the end for the most scalable one. And if you're serious about earning this year, hit like, and let's get started. First, let's get this straight. AI in 2026 isn't just a hype, it's a productivity multiplier. What used to require a copywriter, a designer, a researcher, and a video editor can now be done by one person with the right prompts. That's why beginners finally have an edge. You don't need to code. You don't need to design from scratch. You don't need to be an expert marketer. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on execution and strategy. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. These are opportunities, not promises. Your results will depend on effort, consistency, and how well you apply what you learn. But if you've been waiting for the right time to start something online, this might be it. And as we go through these, comment which one feels like the best fit for you. I want to see where you're starting. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly models, AI-powered e-commerce. Imagine launching your own online store without touching inventory or shipping a single package. With modern AI store builders, you can choose a niche like fitness, tech gadgets, travel gear, or pet accessories, and the system will generate a fully structured Shopify store for you. It researches trending products, writes optimized descriptions, builds your homepage layout, and even connects suppliers for dropshipping. Instead of spending weeks guessing what might sell, AI analyzes data and suggests items already showing demand. You review the products, customize your branding, and publish. When someone places an order, the supplier ships directly to the customer, and you keep the profit margin. That's the power of automation. Beginners who combine this with basic marketing strategies can realistically aim for $1,000 to $3,000 per month once traffic starts flowing. Now, here's the question. If you had to choose a niche today, what would it be? Fitness? Tech? Travel? Drop it in the comments. The biggest mistake? Building the store and expecting sales without promoting it. A store without traffic is like a billboard in the desert, which brings us to the next opportunity. And this is where things start to get interesting. If traffic is the lifeblood of e-commerce, then AI-generated UGC content is the engine. UGC stands for User-Generated Content, and brands love it because it feels authentic. In 2026, you don't even need to show your face to create it. AI avatars can present products, demonstrate features, and deliver persuasive scripts in natural-sounding voices. You upload a product link, choose a tone, refine the messaging, and generate a ready-to-post video. These videos can drive traffic to your own store or be sold as a service to brands that need quick, engaging content. Many beginners charge between $50 and $200 per video. If you're using it for your own products, it can significantly boost conversions and add hundreds or even thousands to monthly revenue. And here's a quick tip. The more specific your script, the higher your conversion rate. Generic doesn't sell. Personality does. If this sounds like something you'd try, make sure you're subscribed, because we go deeper into content strategy on this channel. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, tap like. It tells me to keep making videos like this. This third one is for people who prefer client work. Not everyone wants to run a store. Some prefer stable client work. That's where AI-powered social media services come in. Small businesses constantly need social posts, captions, graphics, and promotional campaigns. But most owners don't have time to create them. AI tools can analyze a business website, extract brand colors and tone, and generate ready-to-post content within minutes. You package this as a monthly service, for example, 10 posts per month, and charge a flat fee. Local gyms, salons, cafes, coaches, and real estate agents are perfect starting points. With just 5 to 10 clients, you could reach $1,000 to $4,000 per month. The beauty here is simplicity. Businesses care about consistency more than perfection. Deliver clean, on-brand content regularly, and you become valuable fast. Imagine replacing a part-time job income with a laptop and Wi-Fi. That's the leverage AI provides. And if client work feels more secure to you than running your own brand, let me know below. I might make a full tutorial on landing your first client. But maybe you don't want clients at all. Maybe you want to create something once and get paid over and over again. That's where digital products come in. And this is where scalability really starts to show. AI-created digital products are one of the most powerful beginner plays in 2026. No inventory, no shipping, no physical costs. Just knowledge packaged into value. You can create niche ebooks, planners, budgeting templates, fitness guides, productivity systems, or specialized trackers. AI helps outline and draft the content, but your job is to refine it, personalize it, and add structure. Then you design it using tools like Canva, export it as a PDF, and upload it to platforms like Etsy or Amazon KDP. Once listed, it can sell repeatedly with no additional production costs. Specificity is everything here. Broad topics get ignored. Targeted solutions get purchased. Many beginners earn between $500 and $3,000 per month once a product gains traction. And stacking multiple products increases the ceiling. Quick reminder, never publish raw AI output. Edit it, improve it, add genuine value. If passive income is your goal, this model deserves your attention. Now let's talk about what might be the most scalable opportunity on this list. AI music and faceless YouTube channels. This is where AI becomes a media production studio in your laptop. In 2026, AI can write scripts, generate voiceovers, compose background music, and create visuals. You assemble everything and upload consistently. Popular niches include scary stories, true crime, study music, meditation sounds, motivational content, and educational explainers. You don't need to show your face or record your voice. Once monetized, revenue comes from ads, and you can expand into affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling digital products. Some creators are generating $1,000 to $5,000 per month after building momentum. The biggest factor isn't luck, it's consistency and niche clarity. And if this is the one that made you pause and think, I could actually do that, then the next video is for you. Don't miss it. Here's the most important advice across all 5 hustles. Pick one and focus. The fastest way to fail is trying to build a store, launch a channel, create digital products, and freelance all at once. Choose based on your personality. If you enjoy selling products, go e-commerce. If you like short-form content, try UGC. If you prefer structured service work, offer social media packages. If you want passive assets, build digital products. If you want long-term scalability, start a faceless YouTube channel. Master one, then stack others later. AI is not the business, it's the amplifier. Execution is still your responsibility. So before this video ends, decide which path you're committing to. 2026 is the year to take control of your side hustle and turn AI into real income. Hit that like button and drop a comment with the hustle you're committing to. Not just thinking about, but actually committing. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Watching alone won't change your life. Applying what you learn will. Momentum comes from focus, consistency, and bold steps. For anyone who felt that spark when I mentioned faceless YouTube channels, that moment of, I could actually do this, your next move is clear. Check out my next video, How to Start a Faceless YouTube Channel That Makes Money, 2026 tutorial. In this complete beginner guide, I'll walk you through niche selection, full channel setup, the exact AI tools to use, proven script frameworks, thumbnail strategies that drive clicks, and realistic monetization timelines. You'll see how new creators are hitting monetization faster than ever, all without showing their face. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Take action today and build the income, freedom, and momentum you've been waiting for.